How to fix R36 games not saving. Fix save file and storage issues fast. Fix 1. Properly exit the emulator after saving. Step 1. Save your game using the in-game save feature. Step 2. Press Select, Start, or FN, Start, to exit the emulator. Step 3. Wait until you're back in the emulation station or Arcos menu before turning off the device. Fix 2. Use save states from the quick menu. Step 1. While in-game, press Select, or FN, Start. Step 2. Open the quick menu, then choose Save State. Step 3. When loading later, use Load State from the same menu. Fix 3. Clear old corrupted save state files. Step 1. Power off your R36 and insert its SD card into a computer. Step 2. Open the Save States folder. Step 3. Delete old or suspicious save files, or all if needed. Step 4. Insert SD back in, boot up, and create a fresh save state. Fix 4. Repair your SD card. Step 1. Remove the SD card and plug it into your computer. Step 2. On Windows, right-click the drive. Properties, Error, Checking, click Repair. Step 3. Ensure there's at least a few hundred MB of free space. Step 4. Reinsert the SD card into your R36. Fix 5. Replace the stock SD card. Step 1. Buy a high-quality micro SD card, e.g., SanDisk or Samsung. Step 2. Create separate cards. One for the OS, one for games, e.g., 32 GB for OS, 256 GB for games. Step 3. Reflash Arcos onto the new OS card. Step 4. Copy your game files onto the games card and boot from the OS card.